In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Manychat profile. If you've decided it's time to move on from Manychat, deleting your profile is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. First, you need to visit the Manychat website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Manychat, or simply search for it in your search engine. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll see the option to sign into your account. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials, so make sure to have your email and password handy. Remember, it's important to use a secure password manager if you have trouble remembering your login details. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to the Manychat homepage. The interface may seem a bit busy at first, but don't worry, everything is pretty intuitive once you know where to look. Now that you're on the home page, look for the Home tab, which is typically located in the top navigation bar. Click on this tab to proceed to the main dashboard where you can access all your Manychat features. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll want to focus on navigating to the Settings section. You'll usually find Settings listed as an option on the sidebar or in the header area of your dashboard. Click on Settings to continue. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options related to your account and how it's set up. The section we need is General. Clicking on General will reveal more details about your account settings, including the option to delete your account. Now this is the critical part. Look for the option that says Delete Account. It should be clearly labeled and straightforward to find. When you click on Delete Account, you'll likely be asked to confirm your decision. This is just a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so go ahead and confirm that you'd like to proceed with deleting your profile. And that's it, you've successfully navigated through the Manychat platform to delete your profile. It's a simple process, but very important to follow each step closely to ensure everything is done correctly. Remember, once you delete your account, you may not be able to recover it or the data associated with it, so double check that this is what you want to do. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process easier for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Have a great day.